Number 12, lot S190 is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $60,500 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website, and the odometer reads 93,335 miles. Exterior color is Highland green. Interior color is black. Body style Fastback. And the highlights are S code 390 cubic inch FE series V8 engine, aluminum intake manifold, Edelbrock aluminum heads, pulley kit, aluminum radiator, Ford C6 3-speed automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and please note the factory air conditioning will need extensive servicing, and Flowmaster exhaust. And it was another one of the BULLITT clone Mustangs, and except it had an automatic instead of a 4-speed, but at least it had the FE 390 engine. But either way, you get a nice looking clone to drive to the cruise and drive it wherever you like, cruising around in. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.